how to change time clock here on NMAX Yamaha. You open here, everything is open. Come here. By the way, there is only one button that you can control this screen. There is no other button. You don't look for other. With this you are going to do. Now here has systems like average fuel consumption, and I click, battery, click, trip 1, trip, click, and when you see this 0D0, which is the total kilometers motor has, then you click menu, this button here. I'm going to click this and hold, okay? So I click this and hold now. Look, I click and wait. 1, 2, 3. Here is blinking, okay? Here I can change. Same button I use always, because there is no other button. I go to 8. Then if I want to change this, I click and press. I click again this and press. Show them here. Boom, you're here. Now, if I click the same button in the menu, I change this. And when I'm ready, I click and wait. Boom. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how you can change the time on Yamaha NMAX.